Hello everybody, today at Bob's Watches we're introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 16622. This watch contains a D serial number, indicating that it was produced by Rolex in the year 2005 to 2006. The characteristics include a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with an Oysterlock clasp. The dial is a platinum dial with a superluminova display and has a red seconds hand. The case is 40mm stainless steel with a platinum bi-directional rotatable time-lapse bezel, as well as a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, and contains an automatic 3-1-3-5 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with the Rolex box, booklet, and we offer a Bob's Certificate of Authenticity. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the link in the description below, or by searching for Bob's Watches 16622 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.